Exclucity coming to you in another unboxing video. We got the Air Jordan 10 Shadow back from 2008. It's been 10 years since this shoe has come out. The last time we've seen this shoe was in a countdown pack with the Air Jordan 13s. This is the Air Jordan 10 Shadow, and in honor of the return of this shoe, it even brought back the OG Air Jordan 10 box, which is super flimsy, gets damaged real quickly, but there's something about it that I love about it. Really gives that OG vibe, especially with the OG sneakers. So you can see the size tag on there. It's one of those shoes boxes that the lid pops off. This is the Dark Shadow True Red Black colorway. So yeah, the last time these came out in a countdown pack, which is crazy because that's one, like, it feels like this shoe literally was in the archives for like 2 eras of sneakers that just passed, and then this shoe kind of just comes back from the dead, from the archives, like after those 2 eras have passed. The Air Jordan 10 Shadow comes back in a perfect time, especially in a time where Jordan has remastered all of their retros, so you know that the quality and the color scheme is really close to the OG on this one. And there are some slight differences that we're going to talk about a little bit later, but for now let's look at the outsole of the shoe. You guys know that the Air Jordan 10 is the shoe that has all of Michael Jordan's accomplishments on the bottom right there, which is cool. Obviously you got your red Jumpman right there. If you check out the midsole, same concept, all black with a little bit of a dark shadow type of colorway on the outsole. Upper part of the shoe features a combination of leather and nubuck, and the nubuck on here is super buttery, super nice to see. The countdown pack, if I'm not mistaken, and correct me if I'm wrong guys, had a 23 on the heel embroidered right there. This time around comes back with the no 23, which is great to see. Obviously you got your red Jumpman on the heel. Favorite part of the upper part of the shoe is pretty much the 2 tones of dark shadow and black tumbled leather that you get on the upper part of the sneaker. Gives it that real vintage vibe. I don't know if you guys know this, but I like 10s over 11s, and I just love how these bad boys look, especially with the OG box. It's a really clean pair of sneakers. You got the circular laces on there, obviously, elastic bands on the tongue right there, and then you got your Air Jordan 23 at the top, which is kind of embossed. You got your checkered sock liner with the red insole that says Nike Air to finish it all off. That's pretty much it for the Air Jordan 10 Shadows. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. It's time to check out what these bad boys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Dark Shadow Air Jordan 10s look like on feet. I love how these look and feel on feet. They feel awesome. I don't know if it's because it's been a really long time since I wore Air Jordan 10, but these just feel a lot more comfier than what I remember. They just fit real nice on foot. The quality, you can definitely feel the quality of the sneakers on foot, which is nice as well. So yeah, these fit true size. We'll go half the size up or half the size down. Let me know what you guys think of the Air Jordan 10 Shadows on feet. I think these look awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and also hit the bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.